Welcome back. Are we a nation of onlookers is what we're asking. One final comment from both our guests, Dr. Bagai and Mr. Pujari joining us. Dr. Bagai, one final comment. What would be your advice? Someone who's heading a prestigious medical institute, what would be your advice to governments generally in the way in which their institutions function? Because this is something that is not isolated. There was news yesterday from Gurgaon as well of a girl dying in a long queue. A very quick response, sir.
I think if one word can summarize what we need to do, it is empathy. You have to have compassion for another human being, whether it be in life or after death. If we don't show that, then we are not doing service to our medical profession. And I must add, all the people who were standing on the roads there, seeing this poor man carrying the body, would have actually come to help.
Absolutely.
This is a lack of empathy also from the society.
Absolutely.
And it's extremely sad. I can't express it in words. I think it is so terrible to see this happening at this age in India.
So in that sense, Mr. Pujari, we all agree that this is collective responsibility, but there is a sense of, there is a degree of responsibility and accountability that lies with the government. What kind of action will be taken, as Dr. Bagai was also talking about, against the people who are responsible, the medical superintendent, the people who refused this man who is already in grief, not aware of the kind of rights he had?
See, CM is a very sensitive person. Naveen Patnaik is a very sensitive person, and he has always worked for the poor. He always fought for the poor people of the state, and he has all the he wants to get all the processes at the grassroots level which will ensure justice to the poor people. But sadly, our poor people are ignorant also to quite an extent. But yes, we have to have the processes in place.
Absolutely.
So that something like this doesn't happen. But the sad part is that people also who are the onlookers, they should have also done something about this.
No one's denying that. Absolutely. In fact, we'll end on that note. It's collective responsibility, yes, but questions need to be asked of people. While you say that there are so many schemes, but what's the point of having these schemes when it's not translating on the ground? But completely agree with you. It's collective responsibility, and we all take responsibility for it. Thanks very much, gentlemen, for being with us on CNN News 18. The news continues. Do stay with us. Thanks very much for watching.